If you've been searching for a powerful AI music generator with a potential to beat Suno AI, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make your own copyright-free songs using edimakor, an incredible AI tool that's completely free to try. Let's listen briefly to this rap song I created.
Yeah, turn the lights down low. Feel the rhythm, let the heartbeat show. This is truth, no fake, no disguise. Listen close, it's the real inside. Step up, I move with precision. Dreams in my sight, got a clear vision. No chains, no limits, I break through. Every step back's just a preview. Hard nights, but I never lose pace. Fire in my soul, you can see it in my face. Rise up, yeah, I'm built for the climb. Every bar drop is ahead of its time. Hear the beat, let it spark, let it start. Every word that I spit comes straight from the heart. No fear, no doubt, I play my part. Wanna know who I am, just listen to my heart. I want
Sounds cool, right? Now, here's the best part. The very first people who click the link in my description or pinned comment will instantly receive 30 free credits to start generating music right away. That means you can create as much high-quality AI music as you want without worrying about copyright strikes or hidden fees. All you need to do is download and install the app on your PC, and you're ready to go. Once it's installed, you can start making professional-grade tracks across any genre you like, and every song you create will be yours to use however you want. So if you've ever wanted to produce your own music for videos, gaming, or even personal projects, this is your chance to do it without spending a single dollar. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through the whole process. Once you click on that link, it will take you directly to HitPaw official website where the software is available. When you arrive on the site, you will see download options that are based on the type of computer you are using. If your PC is running Windows, you should choose the Windows version. If you are using Mac OS, then select the option specifically designed for Mac. All you need to do is click on the download button that matches your operating system, and the software will immediately start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, click on it to install the software. The installation process is straightforward, and within a few minutes, the software will be fully set up on your system and ready to use. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the software on your computer. As soon as it launches, you will be taken to the main screen where you will see an option to sign up. Look for the sign up link, usually located clearly on the home page of the app. Click on that link, and you will be asked to create an account. The process is very simple. All you need to do is enter a valid email address and create a password of your choice. Make sure you use an email address that you have access to, because this will be tied to your account and may be used later for verification or to recover your login details. After this step, you will be able to log in and begin using the software to generate your own music. This software is not just limited to one function. In fact, it comes packed with a wide variety of powerful AI-driven tools that can serve different creative needs. Inside the platform, you will find features such as AI video generators, AI avatar generators, text-to-speech, and of course, an AI music generator that help you create original songs in just a few clicks. These are only a few of the many features available, which means the software is essentially an all-in-one creative powerhouse for anyone interested in content creation. From the main dashboard of the software, begin by selecting the AI Music option. This is your starting point, giving you access to everything you need in order to create and shape AI-powered songs with ease. If you prefer, you can also find the AI Music feature inside the audio section by scrolling down through the toolbox area. Both paths take you to the same powerful music generation tool. Once you're inside, you will be asked to choose how you want to generate your music. You can create purely instrumental tracks or complete songs with vocals. For generating full songs, two primary modes will appear: Basic and Reference Music, where you can upload a song and allow the AI to do its magic with it. Choose whichever matches your creative goal. If you already have a concept in mind, the Basic, Text-to-Music option lets you bring it to life. Simply type a short description of the song you want. For example, a calm evening love song inspired by rainfall, soft piano, and peaceful emotions. This simple description becomes the foundation that the AI will use to shape your music. You can also take advantage of the prompt generator, which expands your short description into a full idea, complete with genres, tempos, instruments, and more. And if you are unsure where to begin, the sample prompt option allows you to load a ready-made idea that you can either edit or use as it is. After setting the base prompt, you can refine your track further by adjusting the style, mood, scene, timbre, instruments, and even vocal type. These options allow you to mold the song into exactly what you have in mind. If you want your song to include vocals, this is the stage where you can add lyrics. You may write your own, or if you need inspiration, you can use the lyrics generator, which instantly creates verses and choruses that match your chosen theme and style. Confirm them when you are happy with the result. I have my own script, so I just paste in here, set the style, mood, instrument, and other things. Finally, once your description, musical elements, and lyrics are ready, click the Generate button. Within moments, the AI will create a complete track that you can preview, fine-tune, or export for use in any of your projects.
When the night feels cold and the stars are far away, your light still finds me, it carries me each day. Every breath I take is brighter by your side. With you I feel that I have no reason left to hide. View the world is gentle, the sky's always blue. Every dream feels possible, every word feels true. Hold me in your arms and I'll never be blue. All I need, all I want, just to be with you, with you.
Now, inside the AI Music panel, you will notice a section on the left menu called My Creation. This is essentially your personal library where every track you have generated is stored. Think of it as your collection hub, a place where all your songs are neatly organized. Whenever you need to use any of your creations, simply right-click on the track you want and choose Open File Location. This will immediately take you to the folder on your computer where the file is stored, making it easy to locate and manage. When you are ready to add music into your project, hover your mouse over the track you want to include, and you will see a small plus symbol appear in the bottom right corner. Clicking this symbol will instantly place the audio onto your project's timeline. Another option, if you prefer more control, is to simply drag and drop the file manually from the library into the timeline area. Both methods work seamlessly, so you can choose whichever feels more natural to you. Once your project is complete and you are satisfied with the music, exporting is quick and simple. Look to the top right corner of the interface and click the Export button. A new screen will appear where you can select the format you would like to save your audio in, such as MP3, M4A, or WAV. Rename your file to something memorable. Pick a folder where you want it saved, and then confirm by clicking the Export button once more. In just a few moments, your finished track will be ready to use anywhere you like. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to create, customize, and export professional quality music using this AI generator. Now it's your turn to try it out for free. Don't forget, the first people who click the link in the description or pinned comment will get 30 free credits to start making their own songs completely free. Go ahead, test it out, and let me know in the comments what kind of music you were able to create.